Para masiguro na walang makalulusot na gastusin ay isusumite ng palasyo ang Public Financial Management Reform Bill. Inaasahang magbibigay ng maliwanag na definisyon ito ng savings o yung natipid na pondo at inilaan para sa ibang mas mahalagang gastusin.
The Supreme Court required us to wait until November of this year before determining those. But that will be too late for us. So if we can in fact define it in such a way that we can do it, at midterm, then that will be preferable.
It is up to us to legislate the proper definition of it, the proper applicability of it, and so forth. How far it extends, whether our proposed law extends to the use of unprogrammed funds, at what point can you use it? And the other point pointed out, because as we know, there must be an item of appropriation. Now, what does an item of appropriation means? Is it a line? Is it a program? Is it a that's all of those sort of things are within the area that we can look into.
Tatlong definitions ko ng savings, no, yung before implementation ng project, during implementation of project, at saka or program, at saka after, no. So tatlo. At saka yung time frame, yung pinaka-significant dito sa bill ko is yung time frame, kasi ang sabi ng Supreme Court, savings should only be realized at the end of a fiscal year, no? Ang tingin ko hindi kumbaga unreasonable 'yon.